Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make gyudon. This is a reshooting of my old video with bad audio. So if you've watched the old one already, I'm sorry, there is nothing new for you. Please wait for the next video. So gyudon is rice ball with savory beef topping. It's very easy and quick to make, and the topping is freezable, so it's great for make-ahead. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this gyudon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 300 grams of thinly sliced beef, any part as long as it's thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, some ginger, 1 onion, 3 tablespoons each of sugar and sake, and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some cold water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rinsed rice in the pot here. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1:1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. In the meantime, let's finish all the cutting. So onion first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half, then slice thinly. And beef. Just cut it into small bite-sized pieces. So it's thin and small. Now, the rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. I know you want to check it, but don't take the lid off. Now, let's get to the beef topping. Put 300 milliliters of water and all the seasoning in the pot or frying pan. Hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, sugar, sake, and soy sauce. And let's cook the onion first. On and just cook it until onion is nice and soft. Cooked for 7 to 8 minutes and the onion is completely cooked. Let's add the beef. Make sure you don't overcook the beef. It will make it stiff. When the beef is brown, grate some ginger straight into the frying pan, as much as you like, but I normally do 2 to 3 tablespoons. give it a quick mix. Kill the heat and the topping is done. The rice should be ready by now. It's perfectly cooked. Let's serve it in the bowl here. The beef topping. Don't forget to put some broth too. Optional, but some beni shoga, pickled ginger, as an accent, flavor-wise and color-wise. And gyudon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The gingery beef topping is so good. But the rice underneath that soaks up all the tasty broth is even better. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Gyudon is like a rice and main put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. You can have anything you like for the side dishes, but how about bell pepper kimpira for one of them and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Lettuce, miso, soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!